Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Blackberry Fool. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. When prepping for this video, my wife said she was the perfect person to make it. When I asked why, she said, "You won't find a bigger fool than I am." I said, "Why did you say that?" She said, "I married you, didn't I?" Anyway, on with the cooking. First we peel and core the apples and chop into suitably sized chunks and put in a suitably sized saucepan. Next we add the blackberries to the pan. When filming this bit, I pointed out to my wife I'd already measured out 3 cups of blackberries and put them in the bowl, so she didn't have to do it again. But would she listen? Would she Ella's like? So there's perfectly 3 in the bowl and then perfectly 3 in the saucepan. Then top it off with the caster sugar. Then bring the saucepan to the heat, place the lid on the pan and cook for 5 minutes, or until the juices start to flow. After 5 or 6 minutes, remove the lid from the pan and cook until the right consistency is achieved. You're looking for something that looks like this. Then remove from the heat and using a potato masher, give it a light mashing. Very light, you don't want to puree, you just want to give it some texture. Next, put the double cream in a suitably sized bowl and using a whisk until the cream turns nice and fluffy. This can take some time, but persevere and you should end up with something that looks like this. Then it's time to add the natural yoghurt and gently fold through the cream mixture. When this is done, you're ready to assemble the dish. And to do this, simply spoon layers of the fruit mixture into a bowl, top it off with the cream, repeat with the fruit mixture, top it off with the cream, and then add a couple of blackberries and some walnuts to garnish, and there you have it, Blackberry Fool. And just for the record, they tasted great. Hope you enjoyed this tasty but easy to make dessert. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.